Sure, let's dive into the world of Linux. Linux is an open-source operating system, which means it's freely available for anyone to use, modify, and distribute. It's a versatile and powerful system that's widely used in various fields, from servers and mainframes to personal computers and mobile devices. Linux is known for its stability, security, and flexibility. It's a great choice for those who want to customize their computing experience and explore the full potential of their devices. Linux is also known for its community-driven development. It's supported by a vast community of developers who contribute to its development and maintenance. This community-driven approach ensures that Linux is constantly evolving and improving. One of the key advantages of Linux is its cost-effectiveness. Since it's open source, there's no need to pay for a license, which makes it an attractive option for individuals, small businesses, and large organizations alike. Linux is also highly scalable, meaning it can handle a wide range of workloads from small personal computers to massive data centers. Its modular design allows for easy customization and integration with other systems. Overall, Linux is a powerful and versatile operating system that offers a range of benefits to users and developers alike. Whether you're a seasoned Linux user or just starting out, there's always more to explore and learn about this dynamic system. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and insights. Until next time, keep exploring.